guys, it's Sarah here. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I take my second day hair and I transform it into this sleek, non-greasy, straight look. It looks so chic and classy. It is one of the easiest styles and it's one of my favorites to do on a regular basis because it takes about 5 minutes. It looks so shiny, so chic. It's just like really pulled together looking. I'm also going to be showing you guys my favorite product I use to get this look, which is the Vanity Planet Vibe Flat Iron. It is a vibrating flat iron, and if you guys haven't tried one yet, you're going to be so hooked. And guess what? I'm gonna have a code for you guys to get 50% off, and it's only gonna cost you 30 bucks. So if you guys are new to my channel here on YouTube, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. But if you guys wanna see how I do this style and hear all about this amazing vibrating flat iron, go ahead and keep on watching this video. Okay, so this is how I have my hair when I wake up. But I wanted to show you guys how you could do this look because this is like my savior. When I have second day hair, it's greasy, usually it's flat, and I have found that this is a great way for me to get that like smooth, sleek, straight, Kim Kardashian type center parted. It just looks really classy, very chic, very shiny, very healthy, and I do this look a lot, especially when I'm going out. In the intro video to my video, I actually have my hair styled like this. I have that really sleek center part with the long, smooth, shiny, dark locks. That picture is actually the same photo I used on the back of my self-published book, Sober as Fuck, my first book. And I just thought it looked really professional, very sleek, very just like classy and nice. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I transform my second day bedhead into sleek, shiny, non-greasy locks. I'm going to be showing you guys how I use the Vanity Planet Vibrating Flat Iron, which if you haven't used one before, they are really, really cool. It's totally different than any flat iron you've ever used, but it's pretty awesome. So I'm kind of excited to show you guys that. Okay, so this is how we start. Before bed, what I do is I load my hair up with dry shampoo. So my favorite that I've been using for a long time is the Not Your Mother shampoo. This is like the newest version of it, I think. It's the texturizing dry shampoo. My hair is pretty thin and fine, so anything that gives me a little bit of texture and a little bit more volume is awesome for me. So I love this one. It's also scented like toasted coconut. I will throw the link down below of where you guys can grab this too, because I buy this like 4 bottles at a time because I go through it and I love it so much. So what I do is I load up my hair with dry shampoo and then I put it up in this knot on top of my head before I go to sleep. I find that when I wake up in the morning, that's when I can see that my hair has gotten more oily. So by having that dry shampoo loaded in there, it's gonna soak up that oil, take all that grease out, and make it look bomb.com. I also find that it gives it more volume by loading it up and keeping it on top of my head overnight, that it just kind of gives it a little more va-va-voom. Which that is key when you're doing sleek, shiny locks, because if they are too fine, too greasy, and you try to do something sleek and shiny like this, it's going to make you look like a grease ball. So we really want to get that dry shampoo in there good to make sure that all the oil is absorbed and we get that extra body and volume in there too. Okay, so we're gonna take this down. My hair is super long. If you follow me, you already know this, but my hair is like down to my butt. What I like to do at this point is I just kind of separate it in half. I go through with the brush, just get any tangles out, smooth anything. I'm bougie, I don't even use a brush to do this. I just kind of trace down the center of my head with my nail and separate my hair into a center part. Like so. Now you can do any part you want for this look. You could do a side part. I do a side part a lot when I do this too. I find the center one I do when I have like an event or something going out because I think it just looks a little bit more elevated and a little bit more fancy in a way. So the part is up to you. It's time for the start of the show. So this is the Vanity Planet Vibe Flat Iron. I want you guys to hear this because when I first got it, I was like, ooh, is it gonna be like a loud vibration? Like what's it gonna be like? And literally listen. So there's an on-off switch on the inside. This thing heats up super fast. I would say less than a minute. I haven't timed it or anything, but it gets hot really, really fast. It goes up to 400 degrees, so it is a really good heat level. It's not going to burn your hair, but it's hot enough to straighten even coarse, frizzy, and curly hair. Clearly my hair is not coarse or frizzy, but that nice heat is what's gonna lock in that sleek straightness, and you're not gonna have to pass over the same section 14 times. So what does the vibration do? I'm just obsessed with doing this. I just love to hear it. Okay, so what the vibrating does, it gives a similar effect to if you were kind of to like wiggle the hair through. So it's gonna take out more frizz and it's gonna straighten more with less passes. So theoretically, it's gonna cut your straightening time in half because it's going to do a little bit extra work than you can do on your own with just your hands and a regular flat iron. The ceramic coated plates in here are actually going to vibrate, and it's going to do double the work with that vibration. So it's going to cut your styling time in half. And who doesn't love to be ready, quick and easy, and not waste any more time and be out the door? So I'm not going to waste any more time. I'm going to jump right in and show you guys exactly how I do this. So you can start really anywhere you want. I find that I like to start with this section right here in the front and kind of get that smoothness going first. So literally what I do, because I want to make sure I get all those bumps out at the root, is I take my brush and put it under it, and then I get my flat iron in and do a pass. I mean, you'll see already though, that pretty much straightened it out perfectly. I'm gonna go over it once more just to be extra smooth. And that piece is smooth, shiny, and straight. So I'm gonna fast forward this so you guys don't sit there for 10 hours, and I'm gonna show you how I go around my head like this. Okay, so as you guys can see, that gave me these sleek, nice, shiny, smooth locks. It just looks so healthy and polished and pulled together. It literally took me like 5 minutes. I could wear this look a million different places. I could wear it running errands. I could wear it out to dinner, out to girls' night. You could literally use this look so many different places. I find that sometimes I like to really tuck it behind the ears and give it a more casual look. If I'm doing something a little more fancy, I'll actually tuck it and push all my hair back so it does this really sleek back look that I think is really nice. I don't know if you love the Kardashians or not, but you've got to admit they always look really classy and chic, and I always see them do the center parted, tucked behind the ears, and just slicked back like this, and completely back, out of the face, out of everything. And it just looks so good. So for today, I'm just doing stuff around the house, and I want you guys to be able to see the sleekness. So I'm gonna pull it all forward so you can really get the full effect of how great this iron is. I know y'all want to know where you can get this flat iron, so I'm going to give you all the details right now. Everything will also be linked down below in the description bar on YouTube. You're going to head on over to vpwow.com/24iron. I will have it on the screen here. I will have it down in the description bar below, so you can click it and it'll take you right to the site. And then you're going to use the code 24iron at checkout. What that's going to do is you are going to get this iron that is retailed for $60 on Vanity Planet. You're going to get it 50% off, so you're going to get it for 30 bucks. That is such a steal. I kind of did my own research before doing this video just because I wanted to see what a typical vibrating flat iron retails for. I went on Amazon. The ones I've seen before, the brand names I know, the ones I've actually touched and tried out at Ulta. The most popular one that I knew of was I think it's called the Jose Eber, like E-B-E-R. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. I might totally be butchering it. But that one retails for around $100, depending on which set you get or what comes with it. So $100, $30. I can honestly say this one is just as nice. Clearly you guys saw it in action. It gave me smooth, sleek, shiny locks in a matter of minutes. That vibrating is just so cool, and if you haven't tried it yet, I suggest trying it because you wouldn't think it would make that much of a difference in flat ironing your hair, but it makes a huge difference, and you will realize it and see it the first time you try this iron, I promise. So make sure you run over to Vanity Planet right now and grab one of these flat irons. It's going to be a total game changer, and it's gonna make it super easy for you to take second day hair, use that process I showed you guys of how I kind of save it and make it look sleek and shiny and not greasy. It's gonna make you look like you just walked out of the salon with second day hair in a matter of minutes, and who wouldn't want that? So make sure you guys jump over and order one of those right now because you are going to love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Leave me some comments down below what you think about this product, if you've bought it, if you plan on buying it, what you think. Make sure you guys are following me on all my other social media because I post a ton of crap constantly. I'm super active on Instagram, so if you guys want to see what I'm up to day to day, make sure to catch me on the gram. I will have my face on the screen here per usual. If you click it, you'll be subscribed to my channel, and I will also have some other videos for you guys to check out as well. But I think that is all I have to say right now. So until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.